Haven't done an update on the camper van for a while. I just trimmed some trims. We'll turn the fridge off because we don't need that. Touch lights. Got an extractor fan, also it blows air in. Bluetooth speaker. But anyway, the main one was just to show you we've got a new addition. We've got a Chinese Desolator. We had this in just before the summer. Tried it out and red hot. I wouldn't recommend sleeping with it on. Comes with a remote control. And just behind, underneath the seating area, that's where the Desolator is. Also the batteries, and at back there we've got the bunk beds, fire blanket. In here we've got this fridge, couple of pans, all those gas, water and stuff like that. Food storage goes under here. And everybody in the camping life and van life has a ridge monkey. Absolutely highly recommend them. Up in there we've also got extra storage. We've got a first aid box as well up there. Also the fire blanket. Another thing guys, we're going away next week, so we're doing a lot of cooking, and the Kadak, the 2-cook system, I'll show you that when we're away. That comes highly recommended as well. I think there's a discount now, about £80 in Go Outdoors. I think we paid about £120 for it. And also we've also got his electric system there. Night light, also can charge your phone from USB. And your solar panel. So underneath the seating area we've got a Chinese Desolator. I think we paid about £110 on eBay. The main problem we're here is underneath here, drilling into the floor of the base of the van. We couldn't get a diameter to big enough. I think it was like 36mm, not 100% no, but everything we were trying to buy were like under or over, so we had to like improvise and use 2 little different ones. But cheers to Dave for installing that. That's your filter, your carb and stuff like that, your fuel pipe. So let's fire the Desolator up. So first off we've got the fuel tank. I use the good diesel in there, the premium one. That's why it's so low at the moment. Can't afford the new prices. Only joking, I'll be filling that up when I go on holiday next week. So to turn it on, you press on with the remote control. It goes to H3 as a default setting. So that goes from 1 to 6. I leave it on 1, let it build up the heat in the van naturally, slowly should I say. And seriously guys, it does kick out some heat this, so yeah, number 1 I'd leave it on. As a backup, I do have this temperature controlled fan, which is run by that controller there, so I'll leave it off for now just due to the noise. But it does basically, that's a fan speed, and also in and out goes the opposite way. So what the Chinese Desolator is doing now is just getting warmed up. You can hear it pumping the fuel. I'll bring you back when it's up to the temperature. That's on heat free, and also you got this, you can change the direction of which way, but I don't think it matters really with such a small van. I just have it upwards at an angle. Don't know how well the mic's picking the noise up. It's not too bad. I mean, when you put all the seating area back on, it'll quiet it down even more. So what I'm going to do is put it to 6. That's full as it can go. Picking up the pace now. I mean, you don't have it on 6 if you really want to heat up quickly and then turn it back down. It's not too bad, the noise. But it's coming up from there. That's heat 6. You still know it's on, to be honest. It's not as bad as heat 6. I mean, on the night time that will be a lot louder, but also you'll be in bed so you won't have it on, if you know what I mean. But anyway, that's heat 1. It's not too bad. Heat 1 noise from inside, a lot quieter. So what I'm going to do is put the bench back on, get in the van and see how loud it is there. It's made a huge difference. Don't know if you can tell on the mic. You get that little hum, and also the pump, fuel pump. But suppose when you're not thinking about it, you don't know it's there, to turn it off, just press and hold on off. So what it does then, it cools itself down, it gets louder and louder. I think the fans get the spin faster and stuff, just to cool it all down as a safety precaution, I suppose. And it switches itself off. The display stays on, tells you what degrees it is. That's cooling down now. That's off now, on standby. So what we use for our fridge / cool box is the iGear 12 volt and 24 volt cooler, 28 litres, which we just put in the 12 volt socket, couple of fans on top, 40 watts to 55 watts. I highly recommend this as well. It's got a little groove there for top of a bottle of a pop. Also in the storage compartment at the top you've got your 24-volt plug, and you've also got your temperature gauge knob there. Forgot to mention this toilet, this flushable toilet, which I'll show on the family camping video. So yeah, that's just a quick update on the camper van. It's his first DIY build. I think we've done a good job, to be honest. We've got everything now. We've got this cook system, we've got his cutlery, pots, pans, we've got his fridge, all the safety, Bluetooth speaker. I'll show you the Zello TV next week when we go camping. We've got a Desolator now, solar panel on the roof, an extractor fan. So yeah, we're all ready to set and go. So there'll be more videos coming up for family camping, also amateur radio, while camping, and just a general great outdoors. Cheers for watching, guys. That was the update of the camper van George. See you on the next one.